Hi, I'm Brittany with WTI, and I think it's safe to classify myself as an outdoorsy girl. But I don't just like to explore the outdoors, I like to work outdoors. And you have to have a good pair of work gloves if you're going to do that. So I really like these DEX Fit work gloves for men and women. The reason why I like them is because very often the generic gloves that are available are big, they're bulky, they're hot. I do a lot of yard work here in my home. Sometimes I help volunteer doing building projects, and it's really good to have full range of motion because I like to get stuff done. So these are really nice. They have great breathable material, so at the end of the day I don't have sweaty hands. And because of the rubbery finish that they have around the fingers and on the palm of the hands, it protects you from leaves, branches. You don't have to worry about any thorns or anything puncturing you. It really helps with blisters, especially if you're doing a repetitive motion like sweeping, chopping, even using the blower. Blisters are a very common problem. What actually surprised me the most about these gloves is that even though they are not advertised as touch screen gloves, because of the material, I find that I can answer a call, look up some information if I need to. They work very well with my electronic devices when I need them. So if you work outdoors, whether secularly or just for getting projects done around the house, these are a great option to protect from blisters, dirt, chemicals. These are definitely great gloves to have. And that's my point of view.